Hey, welcome back, guys. So on this channel, I just talk about most things that have to do with Uber and also Priuses because that's what I drive. But on this video, what I'm going to talk about is how to turn this little screen off in your Prius. So let's go ahead and get started. So first off, why would you want to turn off the screen here? I guess if you are just idling on the side of a road and maybe at nighttime, it's dark outside, this light is actually pretty bright, especially when you turn off the headlights here, then this light actually increases. So if you have the headlights on, it dims a little bit just because it assumes that you're driving. But if you are parked at night, this can light up the whole car. Maybe if you want to be a little bit more inconspicuous, if you are waiting for a ride or maybe just hanging out, whatever the case is, especially when you're in a neighborhood, this is why you may want to turn off this display. So two displays, that one up there, I don't believe there's a way you can turn it off. If you happen to know a way, be sure to leave a comment below. But this video is to turn off this display. So as you can see, I'm connected. I usually have my music playing here, and you can mess with all these different little functions here. But in order to turn off this screen, what you're going to want to do is go here to Setup. So this is a 2013 Prius. If your setup is different than this, I'm not sure how it would work, but I'll try to leave some information in the comments below, so just be sure to check that, and then I'll see if I can find what types of Priuses or which years the Priuses this method would apply to. So what you want to do is click Setup, and then once you have got here into Setup, you can see the different options here. Don't worry about these ones. You want to look at this one on the top right. It says Display, so click there, and then right there, you can see Screen Off appears. So once you do that, the screen turns off. So there you go. You can see now it is not quite as bright in the car, but again, this one's still on. You can turn that one down a little bit with the little knob, but I'll make a video on that a different time. But this is to turn off the back camera. If you want to turn it back on, it's pretty easy. All you do is just basically press one of these buttons. So let's click Audio, and then it just turns right back on. So I don't know if there's a way to permanently turn it off. So this is just temporary. So once you restart the car, this screen will illuminate again. And then again, if you want to turn it off because it's kind of distracting when you're driving, or maybe you're idling, whatever the case is, easy enough. Once again, just go to Setup here on the right, click on Display, and then Screen Off. And that's it. So that is how you turn off the display screen for a Toyota Prius. This is a 2013. So if you have some additional information you want to add to this, be sure to let us know. But again, this is for a 2013 Prius. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.